This luxurious period mansion is for sale. Located in Jesmond, Newcastle upon Tyne, England, it offers 12 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. Set within just under 6 acres in the prestigious Jesmond Conservation Area, this property is one of Newcastle's most significant historic estates, offering over 25,000 square feet of fully refurbished accommodation alongside 2 detached lodges and extensive private grounds. The main house is a Grade 2 listed Victorian mansion, combining original Gothic architectural features with a complete modern restoration. Internally, the property offers a series of grand reception rooms, including formal living and dining areas, a statement kitchen with high-end finishes, and multiple entertaining spaces. Dedicated leisure facilities include a private cinema room, games areas, bar, gym, and treatment room, all designed for both family living and large-scale entertaining. Externally, the estate is approached via a private driveway and is surrounded by landscaped gardens, mature woodland, and formal lawned areas, designed to provide privacy and security. The grounds also include a former gymnasium with redevelopment potential, as well as North and South Lodge, 2 independent residences ideal for guests, staff, or rental use. The asking price of this luxurious period mansion is £20 million. This property represents a rare opportunity to acquire a landmark residence of scale, history, and versatility, combining period grandeur with contemporary luxury in one of the region's most. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.